check this out. Rain snow calculator. So this puts in the temperature. It depends. It's higher. It's going to be wetter, colder, fluffier, 1 inch. Here we go. So Philadelphia is going to be anywhere from the teens to about 23, 25. So let's do this first. 1 inch of rain equals 50 inches of snow. Okay. We'll change this to 1.5 inches of rain. It's going to be 22 inches of snow. 1.75. 26 inches. Let's convert it to 30 inches of snow if it's that cold. Now, it's not going to be 27, 34. I just looked. It said anywhere Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 23 to teen. So we'll go to 15 to 19. 40 inches of snow, 2 inches equivalent. Let's go back to 1 inch. 1 inch will be 20 inches. 1.5, 30 inches. 1.75. Ooh. It will be 35. And of course, we just did 40 inches of snow equivalent. 10 to 14 is even crazier. 60 inches. 1.75, 52. 1.5. Oh, where are we at here? 1.5. That'll be 45 inches. 1 will be 33. Oh, wait a minute. 1 will be 30. Now, it's not going to stay 10 to 14. It'll be a little above that. But this is the water equivalency. Well, let's put it back to about 2027. So, the colder it is, the fluffier the snow. Is there anything down here? Temperature, humidity. Depending on temperature ratio, it could be 1 to 2 to 1 to 5. So here it is. Temperature 35, 40, 1 inch, 20, 27, 15. It's the water equivalent. So the colder it is, the more, I think it's the moisture squeezes from the atmosphere, and you get this absolutely just crushes. It comes down so fast. 10 to 14, 30 inches. Rain to snow. So you can see right there. So this is pretty good calculator. It's always been that way equivalent. 1 inch to, it would equal maybe 10 to 12 inches of snow. Now, it depends, again, on how cold it is. And like I did right on here in my last video, 20 to 1 is fluffy dry. Wet heavy is about 32 degrees. If you come down to about 27, 25 degrees, you go lower than that. That is really cold, and the atmosphere is just going to just destroy us. It's just going to come down. So right now they said, last I heard 1.89. Now that will be 28 inches. Someone can hit that. Possibly could have 30, 40 inches some areas. I'm thinking right now 12 to 24 because, if everything it hits right over us, it really depends right now. Nothing's stuck in stone here. Is it going to go off the coast? Going to go up the coast more? It really depends on the track. That is the big thing right now. It's going to be cold enough, and so we'll see on this. This is absolutely wild.